guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, it is day number 2 of my Thanksgiving meals, and I have me a nice cornbread right here, guys. I'm going to show you how easy it is to put this thing together. Don't have all of my ingredients, but hey, we're still going to make it work. Alrighty guys, so here's everything I'm going to be using here. Inside of this bowl I have some self-rising flour, some yellow cornmeal, and I have me some sugar. That sugar is optional, guys. You do not have to include that. I also have me 2 eggs and some whole milk. Normally I would use a little vegetable oil and a little buttermilk instead of whole milk, but I don't have those on hand today, so we're just gonna use what we got. And I'm gonna go on ahead and put the recipe to the original cornbread in the description of the video, and I have a video for it also, so just look for that in the description of this video. So I'm gonna just go ahead and get my cornmeal, flour, and sugar mixed together here. Alright, so we're gonna bring that together until that looks nice and uniform without spilling everything, Kenny. I know some people use all-purpose flour and baking powder and stuff, but I just find it easier to just use some self-rising flour. Let's go ahead and give that a good mix till it starts looking just like that. I'm going to add my 2 large eggs inside of here, and that's 1 cup of whole milk. Alright, then I forgot to mention the butter, but this is 1 stick of melted unsalted butter. Alright, we'll get that in there, and that is it, guys. This is all that I add inside of my cornbread right here. This is going to be the cornbread for my cornbread dressing video. You guys will see that tomorrow on Sunday evening or afternoon, one of the two. So I'll just go on ahead and get that mixed in. Alright, so once I have that mixed and it looks just like this, nice and smooth, all we're going to do is just go ahead and transfer that to the same baking pan that we melted our butter in. Alright, put it in there, Kenny. What you waiting on? Alright, so we're going to get all of that inside of our pan here. And then this bad boy is going to go in the oven, 350 degrees. It's going to take this probably about 30-35 minutes at the most. This isn't going to take this too long. I'm not making a huge pan. Alright, so just kind of give that a little shake, kind of flatten it out some. Like I said, this goes in the oven 350 for about 30 to 35 minutes. And after it is out of the oven, this is what we have right here. And that's been out of the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. That's why I'm able to handle that pan with my hands like that. But this is a nice cornbread right here. Still has a kind of a mealy texture to it. That I don't really like it mealy like that, but for this it's fine because I'm going to be using it for cornbread dressing. But normally I would use my buttermilk and a little vegetable oil to make it a little bit more tender. But in either case, guys, this is just a quick little video how to do a cornbread for your cornbread dressing. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. And please subscribe to the channel if you are new. And follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and Twitch TV. Cooking and Chilling with Kenny. And I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget the hashtag, guys. Just be a blessing to someone. Peace.